I'm very proud of the eligibility process we've developed here at the ride.
Here at the MBTA, we provide accessible transportation to our customers that need that door-to-door service, that need to be connected to the community, to their jobs, to doctor's appointments.
Our eligibility process was in several different software tools, so staff had a harder time getting all of the information they needed for any given task. Now, what Spare brings us is kind of a singular enterprise-level system where staff have everything they need in one place.
For the first time here, we are bringing together eligibility and paratransit operations. Customers will be able to apply online for both paratransit eligibility as well as travel training, and they will be able to check on the status of their applications and their cases.
Staff can open Spare and see whose determinations need to be dealt with today, what pieces of information they still need to collect to complete a case, and get those turned around really efficiently without having to open a spreadsheet or another software platform to look for information.
Spare was able to take some of that more labor-intensive work and create workflows, automated workflows. So right off the bat, you can see how many applications you have in the pipeline, and you can see in what status those applications currently are.
I think the thing that really sets Spare apart is how closely integrated our eligibility product is with the rest of the platform. That makes it a lot faster for them to process these applications and reduces the chances of things going wrong.
We like to do a lot of process improvement all the time, and so we might tweak questions here or there or completely change a process. And with Spare eligibility, we can do that, and that day we can make those changes. We don't have to wait for a developer to come in and make them for us.
It really has sped up the entire process. Having one software that's designed specifically for the needs of public paratransit, and for that to integrate into the operations is absolutely tremendous.